Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify error on your iPhone. If you're experiencing Spotify errors on your iPhone, then here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. First things first, you'll first need to check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right hand corner and in the system panel, go ahead and enable your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Make sure to connect to a stable internet, and then the next thing to do is to check if your Spotify error has been fixed. If it still doesn't work, you'll need to check for Spotify's latest update. Go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store. In the search box, search for Spotify. Now from the search result, tap on Spotify app. If you see an update button right here on this page, you can simply tap on the update button to download the latest version of Spotify on your iPhone. If you see an open button, you can skip this step since your update is already completed. Once you update to the latest version of Spotify, it might help you fix your Spotify error. But if the problem still continues, you can restart your Spotify application. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone and push off the Spotify application upwards. You can also close off any other application running on the background. Once you force close all of the application, open your Spotify app again from the app drawer and you might be able to fix your Spotify issue. Also ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To check that, go and tap open Settings app from your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on General. Tap on the software update button at the top of the page and check for available updates for your operating system. If you see this Install Now interface, it means that you have an update ready to be installed on your device. Simply tap on Install Now to get the latest version of iOS. Once you go ahead and follow through these steps, you might be able to fix Spotify error on your iPhone. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with the next video. Goodbye till then.